Ready? Tell me your knock-knock joke.
Knock.
Who's there?
Poopy bed.
Poopy bed. Poopy bed who?
Poopy bed Buffy.
You're very silly. What are you eating there?
I eat your dick.
What are those? What are they called?
Fable.
Cranberries? Cranberries.
Fable.
Yeah, they're yummy, huh?
Yeah.
They're yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. You like what? Is that your juice? What did you take before? A juice bath?
Yeah.
A juice bath. That's silly. You got any more knock-knock jokes?
Yeah.
What?
Knock.
Who's there?
Poopy up, and then you do.
You're taking another juice bath.
Poopy do.
You gonna sing a song for me?
Doopa.
What about the Fly Away song you were singing?
Forward.
Yeah.
Okay. If fly away, and then do, and then what you and do, fly did, if fly you do.
Yay! That's a good song.
Thank you.